para mag-go through animal experiments. And pagkatapos ng preclinical, papasok siya sa clinical trial. And sa clinical trial, magtatlong phases tayo. For phase 1, it requires healthy volunteers and it tests for the safety. For phase 2, subjects with the disease and it tests for the efficacy of the drug. And for the phase 3, it tests for the short-term safety and efficacy of the drug. After the phase 3, i-register natin ang drug. Masasabi na ba natin na safe yung drug? Definitely not. Kaya papasok ang phase 4 or post-marketing surveillance. Kailan matatapos ang post-marketing surveillance? Hindi siya matatapos hanggat marketed ang drug. Ano nga ba ang pharmacovigilance? The WHO defines it as the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects or any other drug-related problems. As we all know, no medicine is absolutely safe. Kaya the aim of the pharmacovigilance is to ensure safe and effective use of drugs. Bakit nga ba kailangan ng pharmacovigilance? At some point of our lives, iinom tayo ng gamot. Gusto mo ba natin tayo yung makakaranas ng adverse event? Siyempre hindi. Sino pong nakarinig sa thalidomide disaster? Yung mga pharmacovigilance officers natin. Siyempre, alam na nila yan. During the 1950s, naging popular ang thalidomide sa Europe to reduce morning sickness for pregnant women. However, in 1961, around 10,000 babies were born with deformities or the hocomilia. Kaya in 1968, the WHO Program for International Drug Monitoring came up with the World Health Assembly Resolution 16.36. It reaffirmed the need for early detection and rapid dissemination of information on adverse reactions due to medicines. Kaya during drug development pa lang, unang tinetest agad ang safety. What are the specific aims of pharmacovigilance? Improve patient care and safety, improve public health and safety, contribute to the assessment of benefit, harm, effectiveness and risk of medicines, promote understanding, education, and clinical training in PV and its effective communication to the public. Kung makikita po natin, naka-highlight ang safety and education. Kasi the more we know about the drug, the better we can educate the patient and the more we can prevent the risk from happening again in the future. Kapag sinabi ba natin pharmacovigilance, adverse reaction lang? Definitely not. It also includes medication errors. May mga reports kami natanggap. Vaginal suppository, ginawang oral tablets. Diba? Dahil ginawa mo siyang oral tablet, nagkaroon ng lack of efficacy. Naging mas malala yung condition ng pasyente. Nagkaroon pa ng hospitalization. That's adverse drug reaction na. Off-label use. Most often, kung anong indicated lang dun sa drug, yun lang dapat yung ginagamit natin. Pero minsan, ginagamit na abuse, misuse, and overdose. And also, kapag na-abuse and misuse and overdose, magkakaroon tayo ng acute and chronic poisoning that can lead also to adverse drug reactions. And also, may drug-to-drug interactions tayo, drug to food, and drug to other chemical entities. And as discussed by Sir G. kanina, counterfeit products could lead to adverse drug reactions. What are the common concepts and terms in the pharmacovigilance? Adverse event or experience. During medication, nabangga ako. Uminom ako ng gamot, lumabas ako sa labas, naglakad, nabangga ako. Namatay. Anything na may mangyari sa'yo kapag nag-take ka ng gamot, related or unrelated with the drug, is called adverse event. Ano naman ang adverse drug reaction? Kung kanina ang adverse event ay unrelated, ito dapat related sa drug. For the clinical experience, it is all noxious and unintended response at any dose. For the marketed drugs, same, all noxious and unintended response, pero doses normally used for prophylaxis, diagnosis, or therapy of the disease. Ano naman ang adverse events following immunization? Nakalagay sa title, anything na may mangyari sa'yo after immunization or vaccination is called AEFI. Ano naman ang unexpected ADR? Sino po nagbabasa dito ng product label bago uminom ng gamot? O konti lang. Bakit ba natin nilalagay ang product label sa package, lalagyan ng gamot, di ba? Hindi lang yun pamparami or requirement ng FDA. It is to empower the patient para malaman niya kung tama ba yung iniinom niyang gamot or magkaroon siya ng understanding kung ano yung mechanism ng drug or ano yung mga adverse reaction na pwedeng mangyari sa kanya kapag ininom niya yung gamot na yun. So, ano nga ba ang unexpected? Anything na hindi kasama sa product label is unexpected. Ano naman ang serious adverse events? Results in death, related or unrelated, basta uminom ka ng gamot, is serious. Life-threatening. Anaphylactic shock. Hospitalization or prolongation for existing hospitalization. Persistent or significant disability. Question. Uminom mo ako ng antibiotic, nagkaroon ako ng mild hearing loss. Masasabi po ba natin siyang serious?
Yes.
May nagsabi ng yes. May magsasabi po ba ng no?
No.
For hearing loss po, wala po tayong temporary. Ang nakasabi po dito, persistent and significant. Magiging serious lang po ang hearing loss kapag naging total hearing loss na po siya, kapag totally hindi nakakarinig ng pasyente. Kasi mild hearing loss pa lang po siya. So pwede pa nating stop, pero pwede po siya mag-under ng medically significant. Congenital anomaly or birth defect. Paano kung yung mother ay nagkaroon ng drug exposure during pregnancy? Masasabi po ba nating serious siya? Yes or no? May nagsabi ng yes. Wala po ba magsasabi ng no? Non-serious po siya. Pero reportable. Kasi kailangan natin bantayan yung mother. Kasi ano ba yung aantay natin? Yung outcome ng pregnancy. Kung magkakaroon ba ng congenital anomaly or birth defect. Or kung ano magiging mangyari sa pregnancy niya. Or any medically significant increase SGPT, increase SGOT, or mga anything na increase or decrease in the laboratories. The challenge and the re-challenge. Uminom ako ng gamot, nagkaroon ako ng rashes, tinigil ko. The challenge. Nung tinigil ko, nawala yung rashes. Uminom muli ako. The challenge. Pero nung uminom ako, nagka-rashes ako. That's the positive re-challenge. Pero kapag hindi ka na uli nagka-rashes, negative re-challenge naman siya. Ano naman ang signal? Usually, it is more than one report that could require investigation. And kung papatunayan FDA na mayroong safety and quality issue, we can have proper regulatory action. Ano naman ang ICSR or Individual Case Safety Report? Ito ang mga report na dapat i-report nyo, nating mga health professionals. Ano naman ang minimum criteria para maging valid ang ICSR? Unang-una, kailangan may reporter. Ang reporter dapat contactable. Kasi paano kung may further investigation or clarification, sino ang tatawagan ng FDA? Yung reporter dapat. Identifiable patient. Kailangan ba ng full name? No. Pwedeng initials, identification number, date of birth, age group, or gender. Number 3, suspected drug. Siyempre, ano naman investigate natin kung walang drug? And of course, kailangan ng reaction. And yung reaction, kailangan ng full description of the reaction, signs and symptoms, diagnosis for the reaction, and onset date and time. Ano ba nangyayari sa mga nire-report natin sa FDA? Usually, ang mga multinational MAH natin, naka-A2B na sila. May mga nagpapasa na po ba ng A2B sa atin dito? CEOs. Wala din. Ang ginagamit po natin form ay ADR form na FDA. Yun. So, yun po. ADR form, pwede rin ipasa nyo sa, yun nga po, as I mentioned, pwedeng A2B, CEOs, and ADR form. And lahat ng reports po pupunta sa FDA and it will be assessed and evaluated. And since we are member of the WHO, gumagamit po tayo ng VGFlow for our database. And all our reports will go to VGBase. And lahat ng member country, doon nakalagay lahat yung mga reports natin. And kung gusto nating i-analyze yung mga reports, we can go to Visualize. Usually, si UMC po ang nag-a-analyze niyan. And magbibigay siya ng feedback at the end of the year. Pero kung gusto yung i-access, syempre, yung mga si FDA lang makaka-access sa Visualize, pwede nyong gamitin ang VG Access. You can go to vgaccess.org to check the medications.